The ship's over 500 years old, and it's incredibly significant because we don't have anything else from this period. It really is an amazing bit of cultural heritage. These are probably the most complicated thing they're building in the late medieval period, and we have it here. It's not a painting or a drawing, it's the actual ship. We know that the ship was probably built in the Basque country in northern Spain in the late 1450s, and we know that it came into Newport in the late 1460s. It's possible that the ship was owned by William Herbert, who is the lord of a lot of this area. There are references to him owning big ships engaged in trade, and he was known to import lots of wine. We have Bristol customs records that talk about this ship called the Mary Herbert routinely coming into Bristol throughout the 1460s carrying big loads of wine from Lisbon. It's all circumstantial, but this evidence the ship was called the Mary. This season at the Ship Center here in Newport, we're opening to the public at the end of March. We have a lot to see here. There's amazing displays and models in the front half of the warehouse, and then we have the actual ship itself. It's still in pieces in these huge climate-controlled storage rooms, and you can go inside those and have a look at the amazing carpentry. The activities for kids and families are quite diverse. We have family trails, and there's dress-up costumes, and the rat hunt. The tours you'll get are really comprehensive. They'll cover all the work we've done over the last 24 years and bring you right up to speed with where we're at with the project today, and then we'll tell you about where we're headed in the future. We have audio guides narrated by either Michael Sheen in English or Rhys ap William in Welsh. And you can wander around the warehouse and listen to these and go at your own pace and learn all about the ship project and the history of the ship itself. Saturday the 25th of July, it's our annual medieval summer fair, and it's a huge range of reenactors and demonstrations along with the standard tours at the Ship Center. In addition to what we have at the Ship Center, we also have brand new displays at the Newport Museum in the city center, and also we have a lot of our very nice artifacts on display in the museum, along with the amazing other collections and artwork. So the Newport Museum is well worth a visit.